Good afternoon, it's 27th of April. This is today's Wordle. As you've seen from the title, I'm looking to get 50 views. Aiming low, but if I could get 50, that would be fantastic. And that is, got a W in the right place, got an S. Right. The S is obviously in the wrong place, but there. Not many words I can think of at the moment. There's no vowels in it. I'm guessing it's going to be an A or a W, and it will probably end, if it's not ending in a Y, it won't end in an S. It's not going to end in an E. I think it's going to start in an S. I think it's going to end in an N. I can't really think of anything. Shown is the only thing I can think of. Shown it is. That was a lucky guess. Hopefully that would get me to 50 likes. And please, if you can, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very much. Good night.